Hussein does not believe in a break-in.
Oh, I don't.
This car has what, 8 miles on it still?
You guys ready?
Oh God.
Where's traction control?
Left button. Look at Hussein, dude. What are we doing, boys?
Driving 7 hours to pick up an overpriced Nissan. Alright, take 2 of this because when you asked me in the morning, I hated life and it was 2 a.m. It is now 8 o'clock, 8:11 in the morning, and we're almost at the Mexican border. Well, Brownsville, which is basically Mexico. We're going to pick up a Z, so we'll see y'all there. We're here. Charlie Clark.
Wow.
Wow. Look, it's the Z. Look, it's the Z.
Look.
Majestic white. Just
Like
like my
tails,
old Q.
bro. The tails pop against the white.
Like the OG Q. I
Are
don't
you,
like
are
the
you
wheels
having
on
trouble
it, though.
parking, Mo?
Nah.
Are you excited?
I actually like the sport wheels better. Yo, let's get a Frontier too while we're here.
Right? 2-for-1 special.
Honestly,
Hussein, chill.
yo, what if we did though?
We don't need more cars.
What if we did though?
Ask him.
I'll be like, yo,
There's 3 of us.
will you lease me a Pro 4X for $400 a month? See what he says.
It's a good looking car, man.
What do you think, Hussein?
Excellent.
I like the updated Nissan dash too. Yellow and red.
Really?
Rose and metallic.
Oh, rose and metallic. Yeah. 'Cause those are the
That's Z, probably.
packages? Yeah, that's what it is. It's a massive fuel door.
It is, right?
For what? It's a majestic white. It should be QAW. Check the door there. You want the price? No, we want to take it all. We're gonna run it from. Thumbs up. This the only one you got so far? Yeah. We'll just put the Oyo in those wrap and put them away. Yeah. Eight miles on the odometer.
First impression, interior.
It's great so far.
You like those mechanical gauges?
It's funny how this stuff, the stocks are the same as Nissan's from like 07. Look at this.
Yeah, they're recycling a lot of shit.
Yeah, the same stuff. And then even this, it's like speedometer, the light, whatever it is.
Yeah.
All the same.
Also, the handles are from the 370 from
Yep, all
08.
the switches are the same.
Oh, no, I meant talking about this.
No, I know, but even these are the same. Yo, I don't know if it has a lane keep on it.
You see
It
this
shouldn't have
button,
that
right?
button for lane keep. That's for adaptive cruise.
Yeah.
See lane keep right there?
It's missing something.
It is, right?
Yeah.
It's leather, but it's like suede.
The seats?
Yeah, it's like a sport seat. It's like the Supra sport seats.
Easier to clean.
It doesn't even have lid straps. A Z1 base, I think that's gonna be the first thing I buy is lid straps.
Can you find the hole? Yes.
Looks exactly like the BR30, there's no difference.
Yeah. Same.
So those are kids gonna be called out when we have a number so you can maintain the lights and warranty. We offer an offer lights and warranty and the engine transmission and differential.
Wow.
Okay. I need one more signature from you. Hold on. Yeah, I guess it doesn't have wireless.
That sucks. Maybe CarPlay does?
12 seconds later.
Hussein, check this out. It's connected.
Yeah, I know.
Apple's better.
No, Nissan just sucks and is behind on technology.
So, first review of the Z.
Garbage.
Android Auto.
Pure garbage.
Does not
Why
work.
would they not have Android Auto? That's
But
some bullshit.
iPhone connects immediately.
iPhone connects immediately. Shut up.
I'm sure Alex back home will be very happy about this.
He will. Moonshine will be extremely pleased. This
This
shifter's really weird. Oh, look at that. Look at that Nissan.
Nissan quality
Yeah.
backup camera.
Beautiful. In 2023, boys, this is what Nissan puts out for backup camera quality. Wow, that's a steep drop.
Yeah, just angle it. You'll be fine.
Yeah. We're gonna have the first scrape in this car?
Oh God.
No, I did it right.
Oh, we're
Come
good.
on, look at that. I haven't forgotten how to drive.
Low
It's
car.
not even
It's
low,
not even low.
though.
It's stock.
This
Yeah.
is a bad entrance next. Look at these speed bumps, bro. Jeez, I'm going around it.
Is this whole drive just gonna be you complaining about the car?
Probably.
Perfect. This is
Sounds
what,
good though. Sounds
Yeah.
very nice. Much better than the Q50.
But you know the Nissan still put a very narrow exhaust in on this car because they expect their customers to just modify it.
Yeah, I know.
They didn't spend all the R&D or anything on the
Yeah,
good
why
exhaust.
is Racebox not in your recents, bro?
It should be.
It's not.
Oh, because we switch up so many things.
Is it saved?
No, just look up.
Wow. Do you even work for me?
Huh?
Jesus. 5 hours and 12 minutes. Jesus
Nice.
Christ. We're gonna save some time, boys.
Oh yeah, Hussein does not believe in a break-in.
Oh, I don't.
This car has what, 8 miles on it still?
You guys ready? You like
Very
that traction
slidey.
control kicking in hard?
Yep.
Let's try that again with traction off.
Oh God.
Where's traction control?
Left button.
Oh.
Where
That's
the
how you know
just
I
like the
don't-
same
I've
as
never driven a
Q.
Z.
No, it's the same as a Q.
No?
On
Is
the
it
left.
back there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it again.
Oh God, don't kill us.
I'm trying not to. It's got the nice magnesium shifters from the Red
Yeah.
Sports. Beautiful. Hey man, I let the engine warm up at least.
Well, you warmed it up by flooring it.
Hey, it was warm before I floored it, alright? Let's not give our customers the wrong idea.
So what do you think? It feels pretty much like a stock Red Sport, power-wise, or feeling much?
Feels like a Red Sport. Yeah,
Yeah.
it feels better than a Red Sport.
You're also in standard. You're not in a sport.
Oh,
So shifting is probably.
let's make it in sport then. Oh, there's Mo doing a flyby in the truck. Look at this. Hello.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh dear.
By the way, guys, the speedos in kilometers. We're
Huh?
going 40 miles an hour.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's in kilometers. Yes.
And this is Mexico, by the way. Which is not a lie.
Not that far off.
Yeah.
Let's race the truck.
Oh no.
Alright. You won't even know what's happening. He won. I think he was pointing to the radar detector and saying that it's going off.
Oh.
Yeah, he's pointing at it, I think.
Yeah, he is. Okay, we chill. What do you think so far? Power-wise, trans?
Honestly, it's fun, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I wasn't really excited about it.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, oh, I've had a Q50. I've had a, we've driven what? We've tuned 1400. I've driven probably hundreds of customer cars. We've got some fast ones, all that. But honestly, it's not bad, man. That was kind of fun. Just beating on a little bit. It sounds good. It feels firm. It feels much better than a Q50 for sure. It's nicely set up. I like it. I think there's going to be a lot of people who are very happy with this in stock form. A lot of boomers are going to buy this and be like, oh, I don't need anything else. So,
How's the trans? Shit feeling pretty fast, pretty good?
It's all right, man. All right,
it's
we
all
got
right.
adaptive cruise control. So now so we can reduce the spacing between us and Mo. But the real question is, how do I turn on all the nannies? I love all the nannies. I know people are not fans, but I like them in my original Ride Sport that I had, and I intend to use them on this car if I can get them to work. I wonder how much of it is blocked off because we're driving.
Yeah.
Because I don't see a place for vehicle settings anywhere.
We didn't really spend that much time going through the car.
We really did.
In the dealership. We wanted to
get out of there ASAP. Huh. It doesn't have auto rain sensing wipers. That is an unfortunate oversight. They should have done that.
Wow, Hussein's spoiled with equipment.
I mean, when you have an S8 as a daily, but like my Red Sport had more equipment than this, so But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with it.
Yep. We've driven like.
We'll whip it around in Houston when we get back.
We've gone 7 miles so far. That's your first 7-mile review of the new Z.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. So what's the plan with this car once we get it back to the shop? I like that smile. You know what that means, boys.
Yeah, you guys already know.
This car will not see an easy life.
It will not. No,
not a
sir.
single easy day for this car. Oh, nice mechanical gauges. There's that boost. Turbo
speed, and battery voltage. We're definitely going to replace that one with something more useful.
Yeah. This is just like the 370, I believe.
Probably replace that with AFR or oil pressure.
Yeah. It's nice that they give you oil temp and diff temp.
Honestly, turbo speed is also useless to me. We'll probably swap, we'll keep the boost gauge because that looks nice. We'll put an analog oil pressure gauge and maybe a digital AFR gauge.
Yeah.
I think that's the move. Look at that.
Getting gapped.
Tacuache.
We are in Mexico after all.
Is it a tacuache if it's a not slam?
I don't know. You're asking the wrong person here.
So those of you that are customers or talk to us on a frequent basis probably know we were looking for a Z for a while. Obviously Nissan delayed the launch by like a year. They're way behind, and then when they finally started announcing them in 22, dealerships only had the protos available as far as we could find any, and they all wanted like dumb markups. I think most of them were like 40K markups on a proto, and we were like, you know what? Regardless of how important this is to our customer base and important this is to our business, we're not spending an extra 40K on an already overpriced Nissan. I mean, because at the end of the day, this is a Nissan. I mean, it has the same switches from like an 07 370Z. It has the same dials. It is a 370Z with an updated. It's like a facelifted 370Z with a VR30. I mean, like look at this. This is. I think even the 03 G35 had this. So it's like, we didn't feel comfortable paying that much money over it. There's better ways to spend that kind of markup. So now, in 2023, a lot more dealers had cars. We saw a lot of people around the country buying them at MSRP. Texas seems to be kind of a shitty market still, where prices are just still sky high on a lot of things. But we ended up finding, we drove 6 hours down to Brownsville, which is basically on the border of Mexico. And Charlie Clark Nissan, they were super easy to deal with. We called them yesterday. They said, hey, we got a minor markup on it. I think if you consider what they actually included, they included some PPF on the car, along with like, there's a couple like wheel locks and all that. If you take all that out at like dealer cost or whatever, their markup was the equivalent of like 3K, which is better than anything else we found. And they were really easy to work with. We called them yesterday. We told them we'd come in today. They had it ready for us. We walked in. I think we were in and out of the dealership in like an hour and a half.
An hour and a half, exactly.
And the longest was them, I think, just waiting for the finance docs to load. And then once I went into finance, they didn't try and sell me anything. We signed everything, we did it all, and we got out of there. So overall, very happy with the buying experience. Super easy dealership to work with. Would work with them again. They're good people. Only downside is they're not in Houston. So, but yeah, we finally got a Z, and we're ready to start. Throwing the entire parts catalog at it. I know Z1 has a lot of goodies, so we will probably be hitting them up soon and tossing on a bunch of stuff on this car, and then we'll see where we go with it. I'm hoping, I have high hopes for the platform. I know we got Chris Brito on a bone stock car on a 93 tune. He's cutting like 11.04 in the 11.04. I'm sorry, 11.04 in the quarter mile. He's right there, touching on 10s. I think realistically this car is going to hit 10s on 93 with nothing done to it. Full bolt on, I'll be happy with like a mid 10. And then on E, we'll see how close to 9s we can get. I'm not sure if we can touch 9s in stock turbo, stock block. I think that might be asking a lot out of this car. Maybe with a trans tune and a lot of weight savings or something. But I think realistically you're going to see a lot of Zs running, mid to low 10s on E, and maybe some, mid 10s on 93 pretty frequently.
So it'll be definitely easier than the Q.
Oh yeah. Just based on what I've seen on Chris's car, definitely. Yeah. I know the stock turbos are different than the stock turbos that were on the Q. We were told they're going to be smaller. It might be that it offers better low end, but I think the 9-speed allows you to stay in the power band better as well, and the shifts seem crisper. And overall, the car is about 200 to 300 pounds lighter than a Q50. So we got that going for it. Beyond that, I think the first mod we're probably gonna do is we're gonna pop this bumper off. Looks like there's a lot of space behind it. We'll probably try and get a mounted on here right away. We've had great results on the Audi. We have great results on customers' Q50s in the past. So I think that'll be the way to go. Or not? I'm sorry, not the. Edit that out. Just say inner chiller. Just bleep inner chiller every time I said the other word. We're putting Force Induction's inner chiller, the better product, on our cars. Right. And they're in Texas now. They've got good customer service too. So
great customer service.
Yeah,
we'll call them so many times.
We have annoyed them a lot with a lot of questions. Yeah. But yeah, I think that will definitely be the first mod. Well, we'll put the white sports on, and then we'll do that. I think that's the plan. And then obviously tune it.
Nice. I think we're pulling off for gas.
I'll peel out of this gas station after.
Oh no. Look at Hussein, dude.
6 hours later.
Shit, you made it. You didn't die.
6 hours to pick it up, 6 hours back.
I'm not gonna lie, like pictures don't do justice.
It looks really nice in person. It's much better in person. Mark your DE behind it.